Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw from Binance to bank account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your Binance app and sign into your account. After that, you just need to click on the Binance icon on the top left of your screen and then select P2P from this menu. Now this type of page is going to open up on your device. Here you just need to click on the currency on the top right corner and search for the target one. After selecting it, confirm the changes and then navigate to the sell section. After that, you're just going to click on the payment and it's going to give you 4 options. Simply select bank transfer and click on confirm. Now this is going to show us the sellers that are giving us payments to bank accounts. So we can select any one of these. And then you're just going to click on select payment method. Now select bank transfer on the bottom and enter the required details. Once done, select confirm and you can then simply go for the place order on the bottom of your screen after entering the amount. So that's basically how you can withdraw from Binance to bank account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.